The history of hamburger under 100 seconds. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're taking a bite into a truly iconic food, the hamburger. Its journey is a fascinating one, from a humble German dish to a global fast food phenomenon. The story begins in Hamburg, Germany, in the 19th century. At the time, beef was expensive, so butchers would finely chop leftover cuts and mix them with spices to create what was known as the Hamburg steak. German immigrants brought this popular dish with them to the United States. In America, the Hamburg steak evolved. It was often served to factory workers as a cheap, protein-rich meal. It's debated who first put the steak between two slices of bread, but by the early 20th century, the concept of the hamburger sandwich had taken hold at state fairs and lunch counters. The big turning point came with the rise of the fast food industry. In 1921, Walter Anderson and Edgar Waldo Billy Ingram founded White Castle, often credited as the first hamburger chain. Their small, square burgers made the food accessible and popular nationwide. Then, in the 1940s and 50s, innovators like McDonald's brothers and Ray Kroc perfected the assembly line process, creating a consistent, quick, and affordable product. And the rest, as they say, is history. The hamburger transformed from a simple meal into a symbol of American cuisine, now enjoyed in countless variations all over the world. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. We'd love to hear about your favorite hamburger memories or where you've had the best burger in the comments below.